My students, welcome to the last phase of our 12 tenses in grammar. Remember, without the tenses, grammar will be very, very difficult for you. Now I'm here to break them down so that you'll understand them correctly. Now, today I want us to talk about future tense. I know when you are growing up, you told yourself that when I grow up, I will be a doctor. When I grow up, I will be a pilot. When I grow up, I'll be a farmer. I really don't know what was your plan when you were growing up. What was in your conscience when you were a toddler? Now, come with me, we study about that future tense. Now, turn your future now into grammar. Now we're going to talk about future tense. And in future tense, we have 4 sub-tenses there. The first one being future simple. Now, future simple is being made by the subject. You add will, and then finally you add the base verb. So for you to make a future simple tense, these 3 must be conjoined together: the subject, the will, and the base verb. For example, we have I, the subject. I will go to school. Now, the point is the I here and will have been joined. That is the I, which is the subject, will, and now the base verb. I will go. Go is an action. Go is the predicate, which is the verb. So I'll go to school. So that is future simple tense. That now forms the ground of a future simple tense, which is now the future tense. I will go to school. I will go to the market. I'll go and meet him. Now, that is future simple tense. Now, we also move now, secondly, to future continuous tense. Now, from the word continuous, you know continuous, this is something that is happening gradually. It is happening ongoing at the moment. It is not at a standstill. It is happening and moving at the moment. For example, we have good examples here. Before them, a future continuous tense is made up of the subject, will be, now we transist and add be to will, and finally the verb with what? ing. Meaning it is something that is ongoing. Are we together? Even the word ongoing has ing. Are we together? It has go and ing. Ing in any grammar class will always mean something is happening at the moment. It's ongoing. Now, let's go. I, the subject, I will be studying at 5 p.m. I will be studying at 5 p.m. Now, I, our subject, will be, now that is the word phrase that we will add so that we have the future continuous tense. So, I will be studying at 5 p.m. I don't know if you are getting that point. That now, I will be studying at 5 p.m. The big deal is that it is future but continuous. I will be riding on a bicycle tomorrow. So it is tomorrow that you will be doing that thing ongoing. I will be riding. I will be reading a book tomorrow at the library. I don't know how much time do you spend in your library. I really don't know. You can write down in the comments so that I'll know if you really spend time in reading your books. Now, let's move to future perfect tense. Now, in future perfect tense, we have the subject being the first thing, and we have will have. That's the phrase that we will add. And finally, the past participle. Now, this is it. I will have finished my work. I will have finished my work. I will have gone to school. I will have done what? Combed my hair. I will have repaired my shoe. I will have bought a car. So the point is future and also what? Perfect. Another last thing that is very, very key and very critical, read here. It is future, perfect, continuous. Now, this now needs a grammar brain. It doesn't need a brain that does not understand things in grammar, because you must understand this in grammar so that you can comprehend it. Come with me. It is comprised of the subject, will have been, will have been, and finally the verb with also ing. So I will have been studying for 2 hours. I will have been moving the trolley. So the point is the subject plus will have been plus the verb with ing. I really want to hope and wish that you have learned the 4 tenses under future tense. That is future simple, future continuous, future perfect, and finally future perfect continuous. Thank you so much for your moment here. I really want to hope and wish that you are learning great things in Ombasa English Academy. Thank you so much for your time. This is your place that you should be at all times. Remember, in Ombasa English Academy, your English, your speech will be well elevated. By the time you go through all the coursework, grammar will be at your fingertips. Thank you so much. You have a good moment.